Hi viewers, today we are going to see about jump statement in Python. What is this? What is a jump? So it is in general, if you see, a jump means we will consider a jumping from one step to another step. So in Python we have continue, break and pass, three kinds of jump statements. So what we are going to jump? We are going to jump between the statements. We are going to jump between the statements in Python. So here I have a program written in a for loop that for I in range of 5. That means the value will go from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 times it will rotate and will execute the given statements. Let us go through one by one statement, and what will happen we will check it. So print of I if I equals to 2. So if I value is equals to, then only it will go to pass. L if I value equals to 4, then it will break the loop. L if I equals to 3. So when the I value equals to 3, it will continue. It won't break. So what we are going to see, the output will be, first time the I value is 0. So the output is 0, nothing else. Then the second time the value is 1, nothing else. Then when if the value of now I value is 2. So the value of I value is 2. Then what we are going to do, we are passing. Pass. It is a no operation or null. No operation or null. Okay, so if you don't have any operation to do for certain task and you want to add it later, then we will use pass. Then if I equals, next the value is 3. So L if I equals to 3, then what will happen? It will enter here and it will give the handle continue to the loop. It will give the handle to the loop. So what will happen? Again it will come to I and it will print next value 4. So this time after executing, anyhow the loop will there. So if I change the value to 6, then the loop should enter value 5, but it won't enter because here I have given L if I equals to 4 and break. So when break is used, the loop will break. The loop will break. There will be no execution anymore in this loop. It will come out of the loop and it will execute further statements. So these three are very important and you need to watch carefully. Like a continue is used when the no operation need to be done and it need to continue the loop. When it need to continue the loop once again and again. But pass is just a pass case where you don't have anything to do and you have a case to handle, just like a default case. You have some cases but you are not going to handle now, but in future you want to do, then you can use pass in Python. Then break. Break is a simple statement that will break the loop and it will come out of the loop. So if I have a loop running continuously, running, so if you want to come out of loop, you need to use break. So for more queries, reach out me over Bison Technologies or reach me online through gangboard.com.